Explain the purpose of research. Answer. The main purposes of research are to discover new knowledge, to solve health-related problems, to improve the quality of nursing care, to support evidence-based practice, to improve patient outcomes and healthcare services. Method of data collection. Answer. Common methods of data collection are observation, interview, questionnaire, schedule, checklist, hospital records, documents, experiments. Explain the objectives of evidence-based practice (EBP). Objectives of EBP are to provide high-quality patient care, to use the best available scientific evidence, to improve patient safety, to reduce medical errors, to improve clinical decision-making. Explain the objectives of the research process. Answer. Objectives of the research process are to identify a research problem, to collect accurate data, to test the hypothesis, to analyze and interpret data, to develop new knowledge. Importance of the nursing process. Answer. The nursing process is important because it provides individualized patient care. It improves the quality of nursing care. It helps in planning effective treatment. It promotes communication among healthcare professionals. It helps evaluate patient outcomes. Define the teaching learning process. Write its characteristics. Answer. Definition. The teaching learning process is an interaction between the teacher and learner through which knowledge, skills, and attitudes are developed. Characteristics. Goal-oriented, interactive, continuous, planned and systematic, evaluation-based. Long answers. Define research and explain its importance in nursing. Answer. Definition. Research is a systematic and scientific investigation carried out to discover new knowledge or solve problems. Importance in nursing. Improves the quality of nursing care. Helps in evidence-based practice. Improves patient outcomes. Develops new nursing knowledge. Supports clinical decision-making. Enhances professional development. Improves healthcare services. Define the research process and elaborate. Answer. Definition. The research process is a series of scientific steps used to conduct research systematically. Steps of the research process. Identify the research problem. Review the literature. Formulate objectives and hypotheses. Select the research design. Choose the sample. Collect data. Analyze data. Interpret findings. Draw conclusions. Prepare and present the research report. Define data collection and explain the data analysis process. Answer. Definition. Data collection is the process of gathering information relevant to the research problem. Data analysis process. Editing the data, coding, classification, tabulation, statistical analysis, interpretation. Conclusion and report writing. Explain evidence-based practice (EBP). Answer. Definition. Evidence-based practice (EBP) is the integration of the best research evidence, clinical expertise, and patient preferences to provide quality healthcare. Steps of EBP. Ask a clinical question. Search for evidence. Critically appraise the evidence. Apply the evidence in practice. Evaluate the outcomes. Advantages. Improves patient care. Reduces medical errors. Enhances quality of healthcare. Promotes professional nursing practice. What do you understand by research? Explain in your own words. Answer. Research is a careful, systematic, and scientific process used to find answers to problems or questions. It helps to collect facts, analyze information, and reach valid conclusions. In nursing, research improves patient care, develops new knowledge, and supports evidence-based practice. Define education, meaning, aims, scope, and purposes. Answer. Definition. Education is the process of acquiring knowledge, skills, values, and attitudes for the overall development of an individual. Meaning, education is a lifelong process that helps a person develop intellectually, socially, morally, and physically. Aims. To develop knowledge and skills. To build good character. To prepare responsible citizens. To promote social development. To improve professional competence. Scope. Formal education, informal education, nursing education, health education, continuing education. Purposes. Personal development, professional growth, social welfare, self-reliance, improvement in quality of life. Vineet. Kumar 97029